Hello, I'm James Prescott, and I'm a fourth grade math teacher at Dixon Elementary School. I want to tell you a little bit about what we do and how we do it. The fundamental foundation of our class is that we want to have a growth mindset. This is the acronym, of course, for mindset, and it's really about not being afraid to be wrong, and that from our errors we learn what's right, and through collaboration, and we figure it out, we talk it out and figure out what's wrong. And so by doing that and making it an open thing, we have a lot better discourse and engagement in class always.
In my math class, we always try to get into the, like, I guess you could say, argument. So it was a word problem of like 60. We always try to figure out who's right. Like, let's say if we're gonna explain what we do so the other person can make sense. I also try to like engage with all the other people in my level. For me, it makes it fun because I really like activities that engage.
And so we're using the fractions to figure out this food, and we're dealing with food here because everybody can relate to it. So 3/4 of a plate of gelatin, and Kian ate half of it, so half of 3/4. We multiply the numerators, then the denominators. Same thing here, 4/5 of a kilogram of buckwheat, and a quarter of it. So a quarter of is 4/5 times 1/4. Right here, we just make the mixed number into fractions and then multiply again, doing the same thing, and then simplify if we need it. Same thing here. This is going to be a quarter of 3.5. So we have to make 3.5 a fraction, multiply the denominator by the whole number, then add the numerator, then we multiply it. 7/8. So with that in mind, everyone has a dinner. I mean, we all might not sit around the family table, but sometimes we do, and it's good. And to have a recipe for these people, this recipe, we would need to know how many people we have. So we have to be able to convert it. And so what we have here is a 1 serving of pancakes. And so this makes 2 medium to large pancakes, good sized pancakes, but it's 1 serving. So our goal is we're going to take this home and convert this to how many people you have in your family. And now next week, we're going to ask you to bring in a recipe that has a simple recipe, 2 to 8 or 10 ingredients, and we're going to work on those.